is up, YouTube? This is Carl. I'm giving you another update on my go-kart thing. So I got the cable hooked up to a pedal, and it actually works. I haven't not tried actually revving the engine, but I know it moves it because I've tried it. So here's my pedal. I just ran the cable through, and then just put it up to a screw here, and then I had to drill something in the go-kart. I didn't want to. I had to drill a little hole. Well, it's right here. I have to drill a hole in there, but it actually works. You probably can't see that. I'm gonna try and get you up closer when I do it. So it works. So I'm very proud of myself. Very proud. So yeah. Snowy. So yeah. That's about it. Next, I'll probably... I don't know what I'll work on. Maybe steering? Because that might be a problem. Getting in the way of the pedal here. Shouldn't, because that's how it was designed. Pedal goes here. Yeah, I got that figured out. Never mind. Yeah, probably next thing I'll do is steering. I kidding. Whatever. Yeah, so that's it. So I'll probably do steering next with these small ass tires, but I'm gonna need bigger tires.